Unlock the full potential of Aisensy with our guide to the latest features designed to supercharge your communication. First, let's explore the enhanced automation capabilities. Navigate to the Automation tab to discover new workflow templates for everything from welcome messages to lead qualification. These pre-built templates are completely customizable. For example, select the abandoned cart recovery template and tailor the message content and timing to re-engage customers who left items in their shopping carts. Next, let's dive into smarter contact management. Aisensy now offers advanced filtering and segmentation options, allowing you to target specific customer groups with laser precision. Use filters like purchase history or engagement level to create highly targeted segments, then craft personalized messages that resonate with each group's unique needs and behaviors. Finally, track your success with the redesigned analytics dashboard. Get real-time insights into your campaign performance, monitor key metrics like open rates and click-through rates, and identify areas for optimization. The visual and easily readable graphs and charts will allow you to quickly assess performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your communication strategy and boost your business growth. Stay ahead of the curve and maximize your impact with Aisensy. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials, and unlock the next level of customer engagement.